So I just flipped over this panel in the front of the bed of the Camino. It's looking a lot better, but these bolts, they're still looking a little rough, so I'm about to replace them. And I have some new ones right here, so let's get to it. All right, replacing this bolt. Nice, brand new bolt. This one too. Almost out. Man, I might barely have enough bolts here. Nice. On to the other side. A couple more bolts left. Hope I bought enough of them. Look at that, brand new bolt. Look at those new bolts. I think we did a good job replacing those.